If you want to change message tone on Google Pixel 10a, what you can do is you can go to settings on your phone. Next, over here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we need to go to the sound and vibration. And then in here, you can go to notification. So you can change the message tone by changing the notification sound, because notification sounds include the message sound when you receive a new message. So if that's what you want, then of course we can go through this list and then you can decide whatever sound you want to use. And then remember to use the save button in the upper right corner. However, if you want to change the sound just for incoming messages and only for that, then we need to go back to the settings, to the main page of settings, and we're gonna go to apps instead. Now over here, tap to see all apps. You want to scroll down a little bit and you want to find the messages app. There we go. In here, we're gonna select notifications. And then in here, we can tap to show unused notifications in case they are not visible. And we are looking for incoming messages. So you might want to reveal default settings in here to find incoming messages. We want to tap on this and then we can choose sound. And now in here, we can pick the individual sound for new messages. So let's say I'm going to go to Pixel Sounds again. I'm going to just select something in here and we can tap on save in the upper right corner. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.